CGI AI videos present a great opportunity because they are new. Many of us don't know how to create these videos using simple AI. Moreover, you don't need any experience, editing skills, or premium software to make these CGI videos. As you can see, there is a high demand for this type of CGI video in the marketplace, business ads, and the market is growing day by day. This is a great opportunity to earn thousands of dollars easily. Additionally, you can create your own product CGI videos to grow your business at a minimal cost. You can run ads for your product and build a brand around it. I'm going to show you the easiest step-by-step process to create CGI videos using AI. Watch the video till the end. First, we need a high-quality image of the product. We will use Freepik AI. Freepik AI is a suite of artificial intelligence tools integrated into the Freepik platform, designed to enhance the creative process for designers, marketers, and content creators. Key features of Freepik AI. AI Image Generator transforms text prompts into high-quality images in real time, allowing users to visualize concepts quickly. AI Photo Editor provides on-the-go photo editing capabilities, enabling users to remove backgrounds, retouch details, and make other adjustments directly within the platform. AI Video Generator allows users to create short videos from descriptive text or images, simplifying the video production process. Custom Characters and Styles enables the creation of consistent visuals by training styles, low-res, such as custom characters, ensuring uniformity across projects. Image Upscaler enhances image resolution and details, improving the quality of visuals for various applications. Background Remover automatically removes backgrounds from images, facilitating seamless integration into different designs. AI Icon Generator assists in creating customized icons, expanding the range of design elements available to users. For generating the image, go to Freepik AI and you will find this dashboard. In the dashboard, you will find an upload option or an image description option. If you have an image of the product, upload it. If you don't have an image, describe it using a prompt. For long videos, use 16:9, and for short videos, use 9:16. Then click Generate. Within a few seconds, your image will be ready. Now that the image is ready, it needs some modifications for the best output. Click Edit Image to make adjustments or remove any unwanted elements. Download the image. Now, we will convert the image to a video. To do this, go to Haluo AI. Haluo AI is a text-to-video generator developed by Chinese technology company Minimax, where you will find the Create Video option. Select it. Here, you will see two options: Image to Video and Text to Video. Choose Image to Video and upload your image. In the prompt box, paste your prompt, which can be found in the description box. Then click Generate. Within a few moments, your video will be ready. Now we need sound for this video. Go to pixabay.com. In the search box, search for Blast Sound. Here you will get many sounds. Choose the perfect one for the video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more.